Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 7th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check my video linked at the end of this video over here. So, kind of a slow day for the dollar pairs really today. I mean, the pound dollar did make a fairly good move down. The pound has been very weak lately, so it kind of makes sense. It was a little tricky because we did get a pretty decent little bounce at a Fibonacci level. It definitely did look like the end of a crescent for a minute there. Then it ended up rejecting and continuing back down. I would still look at this as possibly an ABC crescent, and I would still be looking at this Fibonacci level right here. If it does slow down right there, make that double bottom 3, 4, 5 shape with the breaker structure, I definitely would still take it as a long opportunity. The pound has been pretty weak, so maybe there's better opportunities elsewhere. But if it doesn't make that 3, 4, 5 shape at a Fibonacci level, then I would actually continue to look for shorts on these sort of time frames still. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.